Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and opening Google Meet so you can join or start meetings immediately. Sign in with your Google account and grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions. These let you share video, speak, and send files. Once done, tap New Meeting to create a link or enter a meeting code under Join. Make sure your front camera and mic are selected before entering. Doing this now avoids delays when the call begins and ensures audio and video work from the first second. Once inside, focus on controls that you'll use most often. Mute your mic or stop video with the big buttons and tap the 3 dots for layout, captions, and settings. If you need privacy, enable background blur or a virtual background to hide surroundings. To share slides later, practice screen sharing now so you know which app window to pick. If you're hosting, schedule the meeting in Google Calendar and paste the link into chat or email, because organized invites reduce late arrivals. To wrap up, present when ready by tapping Present Screen and choosing the app or entire screen so participants see your content. Use chat to drop links and pin a speaker to keep them visible. Hosts can end meeting for everyone when done. If something goes wrong, try a quick troubleshooting step. Toggle camera or mic permissions in settings, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or fully restart the Meet app. These steps fix most audio or connection problems quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.